What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a pretty exciting unboxing. I believe we have 10 brand new NASCAR diecast to take a look at today. And what makes this one pretty exciting is we have some 2024 schemes before the season even gets started in Daytona. So that's pretty cool, pretty exciting. Let's get on into it and check them out right now. We got two different boxes. I believe they both have 5 in there. But first one up is a late model for Kevin Harvick, his number 62 Mustang Hunt Brothers Pizza. Pretty cool. Like to get these new late models. This is the first Mustang to be released. All the other ones up to this point were Chevys, so pretty cool. Next up, all right, here we go. First 2024 in the packaging is the Raptor number 24 for William Byron. The Advanced Run, 1 of 288. Pretty sweet. You got the little bit of a different box. Year to year they try to change it just a tiny bit. But there is the first 2024 scheme out of this box. And this box here should have the other one somewhere. And here it is. The number 9 for Chase Elliott. His Napa Chevy for the 2024 season. Same thing, the Advanced Run, 1 of 288. Pretty cool that they get the numbering system, just to let you know that they're the earlier released versions, I guess. Next, we've got Shane Van Gisbergen's number 91. This is the Street Course Win version. So pretty sweet to get the winning detail on top of the pretty cool scheme. Trackhouse always comes to the track with sweet looking schemes. So next up, and I believe the last out of this first box, this is Ross Chastain's Worldwide Express number 1 Nashville winner. So there's some of that purple and white confetti from the Nashville winning scheme. So there is the 5 out of box 1. We'll move some of this stuff to the side and get into box 2. Get rid of these packing penis. And we got box 2 coming. I believe there's 5 more. Let's see what we got. We have Tyler Reddick's number 45, Jordan Brand H-Wings. This is the diecast chassis, 1 of 288 on this one as well. Another team that always comes to the track with some banger schemes. 2311, all those Jordan Brand schemes that they had last year. Next up, this is Michael McDowell's Indy Road Course Win. 1 of 288, the diecast body and chassis. Pretty cool to see him get that win for Front Row Motorsports. Pretty cool. Overachieve in that scheme, that team. Next up, Martin Truex Jr.'s Ducks Unlimited Bass Pro Shops. Same as the rest in this box. We got the diecast chassis, 1 of 288 on this one as well. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Next up, let's see what we got. We've got Chris Buescher and his number 17 Fastenal Richmond winner. So, of course, confetti, race winning detail. Pretty cool. And last one, I believe. And we will get that out of the way for a quick recap after we take a look at the Pocono winner for Denny Hamlin in the Mavis number 11. Pocono winning, of course, this race pretty iconic already for the Hamlin versus Larson drama. So he's got some extra tire marks on his number 11. Pretty cool. Of course. So let's bring them back in. We've got, let's see if I can get them organized here. We've got 4 race winning schemes from 2023 from 4 different drivers and 4 different teams. So that's pretty cool. All these coming out around the same time. I'm a sucker for the race winning schemes. So of course that's pretty cool to get. Then we've got the 1 late model, Kevin Harvick's. Totally missed this one for the 5th winner. Whoops. So we got 5 2023 winning schemes. So that doubles down on my point. That it's pretty cool that they're all coming out around the same time. We got 2 Toyotas from the 2023 season. Joe Gibbs Racing in 2311. And then, last but not least, and on top of this pretty cool diecast haul, is 2 early releasing 2024 diecast for Hendrick Motorsports. Chase Elliott and William Byron, 9 and 24. Pretty cool to get these before the season started. So that is pretty sweet. And that will do it for this one. Leave a comment on which diecast you think is the coolest. Also comment your Daytona 500 predictions. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for checking it out.